Hi my friends and my seniors, welcome guys in this new video. So this video is gonna be very special, very important, and also a very interesting and helpful video for all of those people who want to develop their English speaking skills, who want to develop their English speaking and want to make their English speaking advance from the beginner. Yes, because today in this video I am gonna be a cook. Yes, for this video I have become a cook. As you can see, I am in our home kitchen, and now I am in the kitchen room because I want to practice the English language with some dishes. Yes, with the kitchen. Yes, it is our kitchen. There are many objects are here in front of you, in front of my only. I will just help my parents for to make a dish, and also with this helping with making the dishes I will just practice the English language. I always share with everyone that practice the English language every time with your works. Okay, people say that I can't practice the English language. Why? What is the reason? Because I don't have time. I can't have and I can't get enough time to practice the English language. Don't worry, you don't need time to practice English. Okay, because if you want to develop your English speaking skills, then you have to become crazy for it. You have to become mad for it. So that's why I will always advise to everyone that practice the English language with your work, with your daily activities, and also cooking and also making dishes. It is also activity, and I will show everyone how I learn and how I practice the English language. Okay, so this practice is gonna be very interesting. I know that with the help of this practice I'm gonna learn a lot of new words, a lot of new sentences, and if you watch this video till the end, then I am pretty sure you are gonna see a number of new things, and some things also are gonna amaze and blow your mind. I am pretty sure. So let's start the video. Make sure you subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon, like this video, and let's start. For to make a dish, for to cook something, first of all, a very important thing, it is the vegetables. Okay, as you can see in front of me, this is a plate, and on the plate there are many vegetables are there. Okay, I will not use a number of words, new words. I will use the simple normal words, and I will make sentences with it. So on the plate there are vegetables, and I think that without this vegetable every dish is half. Okay, because these vegetables are normal and necessary objects that will just give a life to your dish or the thing that you are gonna cook. So as you can see, there are some vegetables which are the onions, the ginger, the garlic, the potatoes, and some chilies. As you can see that there are 3 onions and also 2 garlic and 2 ginger and 2 potatoes. So first of all, the what it is the peeling all of the vegetables. Okay, so I will not say the cutting. Okay, not the cutting, I will say peeling, because it is the important thing, peeling. I will peel all of the vegetables, and after peeling them I will wash them, and after washing them I will slice them. Okay, so you also can just understand that there are a number of words are there in the same meaning, but they are different, means their uses are different. Like some of them are peeling, chopping, cutting, and washing, which is very important. And now guys, as you can see, like here in my hand, it is an onion. So now I am gonna chop, means I am gonna peel the onion. Okay, as you can see the peels, this is type of the skin of the onion. I am gonna peel them. So now let's start. As you can see, on the another hand I have many types of chops. Okay, means the knives. So there are not the same knife, there are various kinds of knives. And do you know one thing, that these 3 kinds of knives, their name are different. Okay, what we do, whatever we just use for to cut a like a object or cut a vegetable, we just call it the knife. But no, it is not a knife. This knife also has another similar name. Okay, their shapes are not the same, they are different. So that's why for these differences their name also are different. Like I am gonna share with everyone, as you can see, it is a knife. This knife, just I will share with everyone that be careful with knives, because knives are very sharp. As you can see, for the extra protection there is also a cover in the main part of the knife. So when I will just open it, then I will start chopping it. But now it is in the cover, so that's why it is safe. So like this knife. So this knife is called the cleaver knife. Okay, it is the cleaver knife. You also may have seen in a lot of meat shop. Okay, the shopkeepers, they also cut the meat, they cut the pork, and also some kinds of chickens with this type of knives, with this type of big knives. So these knives are called the cleaver knife. And also then secondly, it is a knife which is in a medium shape. Everyone in their house, everyone has these types of knives in their house, and this knife is called the cheat knife. Yes, cheats knife, and that's why it is cheats. So this is called cheats knife that we all use for the normal vegetables, for normal food, for to cut and for to eat them. And then the thirdly and also lastly, it is a small knife. As you can see, it is a small knife, and this knife is called by the name which is utility knife. Yes, utility knife. So the names are different because for their shapes, one is a cheats knife, one is a cleaver knife, and one is a utility knife. And also there is another thing, there is another object which is also very simple object. And do you know what this object is called? We always use this object for to peel the potatoes. Okay, for to peel and for to peel the skin of the potatoes. But we never question to ourselves that what is this called in the English language. For of all your knowledge, I will say that this is called the potato peeler. Okay, this is the peeler. Okay, with this cutter, means with this peeler we peel the potatoes. So that's why this is also the name of it. It is the potato cutter. And it may also that in a number kinds of places this thing is named by a number of names. So if you know the another name of this object, then you can feel free to comment me. I will understand, and also our viewers, they will understand a lot. So this type of things. So it is the onion. So now I am gonna peel it. Very normal thing. I will use the cheats knife. I will open the thing, the cover very carefully, and then after I will start. So I have just cut out the tip of the onion, which is very hard. And then after just cutting them easily the onion, I can just peel the onion. I can peel the skin of the onion very easily. As you can see, it is very normal. With our hands, with our nails, we can peel it. So this thing, okay, a number of people, what they do, they struggle to peel the onion, the the garlic and the ginger. They struggle, but no, only you have to just use your brain. Just cut out the first part and the last part, and then automatic the middle peels will just remove. And then you have to just take them, you have to scratch them, and automatically they will come in your like hands. So now this onion is fully peeled. So as you can see, so this onion is with the peels, means with the skin, with the cover, but this onion is not. It is a fresh and also eatable onion. So there are also, as you can see, they are called the peels of the onions, and now they are trash. Whenever I just do this kind of work, whenever I just cut out the vegetables and whenever I chop them, then one story I always remember, which is the Maharaja Travancore's The Wonderful West. This wonderful West is from the class 5s. In a short term, I am going to understand to you. So what just happened? So once upon a time, there was a Maharaja of Travancore. So one day the Maharaja ordered a grand dinner in his palace. And in his palace, for the dishes, for the dinner, all of the cooks, they started preparing the dishes. But when the Maharaja, he entered in the kitchen, then he noticed, then one of the cooks, he was going somewhere with a basket full of the scraps of the vegetables. And then the Maharaja said, where are you going? The cook replied that, Maharaja, I am going to throw all of them, all of the scraps of the vegetables, because they are totally waste. But then the Maharaja was very very angry. The Maharaja said that you can't just make them waste. There are many vegetables are there. Okay, so try to make some kind of dish with them. And then the Maharaja ordered, and then he went away. Then the cook was in fully tension, but the cook he thought and thought, and after thinking a lot, an idea flashed across his mind. He took all of the vegetable scraps, mean the small vegetable scraps, and then after taking them, he washed them and cleaned them very well. After cleaning them, he cut out in the long strips, and then he started cooking some kinds of dish with all of those vegetable scraps. Okay, he put all of those in a pot, and then after doing this, he just add a little kinds of curd and also the coconut oil, a few spoonful of coconut oil, the salt, the chili, and also everything which are necessary, that many type of ingredients. And then after just mixing all of them, he took out the dish in a plate, and then a tempting smell started coming from the dish, and then he was very happy. He add a few like curry leaves, okay, curry leaves for to decorate the dish, and then after decorating it, he served the dish to all of the guests, and everyone ate the dish. Everyone was very happy after eating it. Everyone was just eager to know the name of the dish, and then the cook named it the avial, and from this day avial is now also a traditional fest, the traditional dish for the Kerala. So this thing, if we want to do something in the world, then nothing is impossible. So like the cook also, all of the vegetables they were wasted, but now the cook he had to use them for this. He thought and thought, and he just made the traditional dish. So the garlic, and I just separated all of the small parts of the garlic, and now they are totally ready. So now it is the potato. So now I am gonna peel the potato with the help of the potato peeler or the potato cutter. So it is very very like harmful work, so that's why I have to do it in a very carefully. So as you can see, slowly we have to pin it like this, and as you can see, so the difference, so it is the potato means the inner potato, and the thing which is you can see, it is the cover means the skin of the potato. So now I have to just cut out the skin carefully. So now I have peeled the whole potato. As you can see, now it is the version, a new version of the potato. So here it is, and now everything is properly ready. So now behind the camera I will also cut out all of the things. So there are a lot of chilies. So the interesting thing is, as you can see, there are also many kinds of chilies. The plant are the same, but the colors of the chilies they are different. So one is a red chili, one is a green chili, and also surprisingly one is a orange chili. Yes, orange chili. So it's also very interesting, the power of the nature. So now I also will just slice the chilies, and as you can see, there are some ingredients which are also I'm gonna use for to make the dish, for to cook the dish. So as you can see, it is the salt. Okay, salt which is very important. We everyone we use salt in all of the dishes, in all of the cookings. And then it is the turmeric. Okay, so yellow turmeric. So it is the thing, it is the bottle, and it is the red chili. Okay, the chili powder, as we also know as the chili powder. So it is the cap. I am just opening the cap by the rounding. As you can see, it is the chili powder. So it is the thing that I want to share it with everyone. So now it is the time for to washing all of the vegetables, and then after washing I will also cut out them in. As you can see, now in a bowl I just put a little quantity of water, and then on the water all of the vegetables I just put on it, and now I am just washing. Only with a normal what we have to do, just washing, just putting, and also rubbing with the help of the waters, because all of those vegetables, they come from a lot of places by traveling for a long place. So that's why I always share with everyone that whenever in the air and also everywhere there are some microorganisms like bacteria. So all of those vegetables, there are also many bacteria they attached on the vegetable. So if we just eat the vegetable roughly rawly without just washing them, then it may be that the bacteria can go inside us and they can harm us. They also can cause the fever and also illness. So that's why washing is very important when you will buy some kinds of vegetables from the outdoors, from the market. After coming with them in home, just wash them very properly with the water only, and then after washing them, now it is the time for cutting all of those vegetables. So now I just washed them very clearly. I just washed them very clearly. So now it is the time of the chopping. Okay, chopping with the help of the knives. So after washing, I will take only one onion, as you can see, one onion, and then after taking it, I will use this knife, which is called the cheats knife, and with the help of the cheats knife, I will just cut out the onion in slices. Means I will chop the onion. Okay. So be careful always with the knives, because they also are very harmful. So like it, I will chop it in the slices. Carefully, I just cut out the onions in four parts. It means I divided one onion in the four parts. So now it is fully ready. So here I will use it like this. So after cutting them, as you can see, this type of cuttings, and then now also there are a number of vegetables. Now I will cut them, and also I will do the same like the onions. So I will meet you after doing this work. So guys, it was the thing that I want to share with everyone. Just remember, every work, if you want to practice the English language with the work, then you can easily do it. So only when you will start practicing the English with doing the work or while doing the work, then sentences will come in you, and also many problems and many questions are gonna build in you, that what is it called in the English language, what this called in the English language. We people, we can understand English and also we can speak English, but normal things we also don't know what is gonna be. So like guys, if you think that this video is a very helpful video, then guys please subscribe this channel, hit the bell icon, like this video, share this video with your friends, and also just say to everyone that though this practice is gonna be very beneficial and very helpful practice for all of you. So bye bye, I'll meet you in the next video. Remember, to a great man nothing is written. If you don't subscribe to my channel, then I will be disappearing in the ocean of the YouTube. So I hope that you like this video. So bye.